Established in 2004 and is located in Handan City, Hebei Province. The company covers an area of 10,000 square meters and has a staff of more than 200 people. It is an enterprise integrating fastener product production and metal surface corrosion protection with a mature production technology team. More than 20 years of experience in the fastener industry. The company produces self-drilling screws, hexagonal bolts and nuts, flange bolts and nuts, flat and spring washers, including American standards, German standards, national standards, etc., and is available all year round. Exports to Europe, America, the Middle East and other countries. With high-quality product and competitive price, we are pretty sure that we will be your best choice.